guys, my name is Eduardo. I'm from CS246 class of BYU, and here with my teammates, we made this app, Holy Salon, that is our final project of that class. And I'm going to explain you a little bit about the functionality and how this app works. First of all, let me tell you about our sponsor. Our sponsor is a person that has a hair salon. His name is Hollis, and she had some problems with the management of their clients and their products because she have a lot of clients, and sometimes she she forget like the products she use with each one of their clients. Sometimes she forgot to buy more products because she didn't have a list or something to manage the amount of the products that she's using. So, according to those problems, we decided to create this app to help her manage that part. So, at the beginning, talking about the app, as you can see, here we have the main menu. There are some card views that you can see, the message of welcome, and the other two, that one is of clients and the other one is of inventory. So, in this case, the functionality part is on the clients and on the inventory card views. To show you each one of them, I'm going to select first the client. So we only need to click the client's card view. Here on the clients, you can add new clients, you can edit the information of a client, you can delete the client, all that kind of stuff. But let me show you in more detail what I'm talking about. On this activity, or on this page of our app, you will be able to see the all the clients that you already saved it into the database. Here I only have Carlos Contreras, and if I wanted to add a new client, I only need to select that plus button at the bottom of the app. So I'm going to select it, and here I need to fulfill all that files with the appropriate information. For example, in this case, I'm going to create a new client with the name Elizabeth and the last name Pomasal. The phone number, I'm only going to put any kind of numbers just to fulfill that part. So I'm going to put this. And for the comments, our sponsor wanted to put here on the comments like the products she used with that client. So I'm going to put only shampoo, and I'm going to save it. As you can see, the new client is show here on this page. Here is the client that we already have, Carlos Contreras, and the new client, Elizabeth Pomasal. Here we only see the name of the client and the phone number, but if we wanted to see in more detail all the information about that client, we only need to select the item. So, for example, if I select Elizabeth Pomasal, it is going to display me all the information that I already saved in the past minutes. So here is Elizabeth Palmasal, the phone number, and the comments. And here are the features or the functionality part for the clients. I can save the information if I wanted to. For example, if Elizabeth changed of number and I wanted to update the new number, I only need to erase the old number and just put the new number. So I'm going to put this number, and I'm going to save it. As you can see, the update. You can see the update here. The phone number is no longer the old one that you already saw. Here is the new number, and that is the part for the edit and save clients. And for example, if Elizabeth Pomasal is no longer my client, I can delete it. And for that part, I only need to select that delete button. So I'm going to select it. And well, here is another message where it displays if I want to delete that client. I'm going to click yes, and there's no longer Elizabeth Pomasol client. There is another feature for the clients, but before I show you that, I'm going to show you the part of the inventory. For the inventory is very similar. Here we can see all the products and the amount of that product. Here we already have a product that is shampoo, and well, I'm going to add a new product very fast. I'm going to add shampoo 2, and the quantity is going to be 5.0. Save. Here's the new shampoo. And if I wanted to edit, for example, if I bought more shampoo too, I can edit. Now I have 10.0, save, and as you can see, now I have 10. If I wanted to delete it, I only need to click delete and just confirm that part yes, and well, there's no longer shampoo too. I already have a client here, Carlos Contreras. He used shampoo. There is a comment that he used 1.0 of shampoo, and this was a new feature that we added to for the clients. So well, here is at the bottom on the inventory bottom. So I'm going to click. Here you can select a product from the database. In this case, Carlos used shampoo, so I'm going to click on K on that product, shampoo. And here I can select the amount of shampoo Carlos Contreras used in his last visit to the hair salon. So for example, if he used, I'm going to put 1.5 and I click OK. You can see the comments are updated. Uh, Now it displays that he used 1.5 of shampoo. And if I, well, after I save the changes and I return to the inventory, as you remember, there was a shampoo that has 10.0 amount of product, and now it has 8.5. This because Carlos Contreras already used 1.5 of those 10 ounce that we already have of shampoo. So that was a new feature we added, and well, after we showed that part to our sponsor, she was very happy. Um, she saw that with this app she could solve uh, well, maybe not at all their problems with the hair salon, but the basic problems with the management of their clients and the products. So, well, this is a basic app for edit, save, and delete items. On this case, the clients and the products. We use UI design. Well, it has the basic functionality to accomplish all the requirements that our sponsor wanted to have. And well, my name is Eduardo Mena, and this was our final project.